phone you am sorry oh. MPP phone you am sorry oh. I am munti ana mahama am say. MPP for I am munti ana mahama am say. Menya Ghana ni bio.
Abusianfo sesi amane okasa die eye national security for atumi akwakoba urom ewo eye chama Wontumi ne fie a omokwa akofa no abusian na ohwe de etwagu a Wontumi hu se ano aye den ama chama Wontumi ankasa ababe kasa aka insembi na utie de chama Wontumi o ka Wontumi hu se bema ayemle Afia Schwar ono so ababe kasa efa eye chama Wontumi case ya abusian ababe todwa a ye de esomo no Schwar ababe din komo akanse na utie de ye Afia Schwar o kana hey Wontumi say wi ase no nipa eho kire na na wo hu wadofo ene watamfo nyina abusunya ba before no yentie de eye etwagu ewo eye chama Wontumi ne fie abra eye national security for ekopie mu ewo ne fie no yenhwe de etwagu eho ye wi a ye ba kotie chama Wontumi na numu asem a ono nso edito udwa.
On your screen now are visuals of what's happening currently at a location we know is the residence of Chairman Wontumi, the NPP's Ashanti Regional Chairman. And I will try and connect to Nanaya Ojima to have an update on that. Nanaya, if you can hear me, what's happening now?
Presently, some of the national security operatives and the police teams are presently on the ground. And the information that we have is that there's now a command for them to leave this premises. So they are in the process of exiting the area. Presently, the national security operatives are flying a drone over the house of Chairman Wontumi, and this is one thing that some of the NPP members, especially the legal committee of the NPP here, want to see exactly how things are going, or how they are going about this business. So, lawyer Kusi and also Mr. Adam here, who happens to be the secretary of the NPP in the Ashanti region, they are the two people who are overseeing what exactly the national security operatives are doing outside the premises of Chairman Wontumi. So there is an operative who has a drone, and he is using the drone to fly over Chairman Wontumi's house, and it's being supervised by some of the leadership of the new patriotic party in the Ashanti region. Presently, the information that I'm getting from the MPP sympathizers who are gathered here is that they've reached an agreement for the national security operatives to leave. So early this morning, these national security operatives, a joint team of police and National Investigation Bureau operatives, came to the house of the NPP chairman in the Ashanti region, Bernard Siako, and they came with a search warrant. A court has given them the permission to search the house of Chairman Wontumi to find some valuables or some exhibits that could lead them to a crime that has been committed by the NPP chairman. So we have pictures of this search warrant that they came in here with, and they seized all the exits to Chairman Wontumi's house. And they started working with. They started ensuring that they get exhibits and other information that will help in their investigations. It led to some of the NPP leaders coming to this area to actually supervise or oversee what exactly is happening here. So this is where we are now. The operatives seized all exits. They didn't allow any people to enter or leave the house. It's unclear if Chairman Wontumi himself is within the premises, but the operatives went in there and conducted their business. And with time, some of the NPP executives and other notable persons within the NPP all came around upon hearing this information, and they came to stand around and also be at the gate in solidarity with Chairman.
Well, we'll try and reconnect with Nanaya or have him to reposition so we can hear him clearly. But basically what you're seeing on your screen is footage of NPP sympathizers at the residence of Chairman Wontumi, Mr. Bernard Siako. He is the NPP chairman for the Ashanti region. And earlier this morning, we're told, or information reaching us, is that a joint police and national security operatives surround Chairman Wontumi's residence. And Nana has just been giving us an update about how a drone is being flown on at his residence to be able to pick more information. But let's get clarity. Nana, if you can hear me, and so you say that just bring some clarity. So the national security operatives have flown a drone in attempt to find what exactly? You say that the search warrant is to search for what exactly?
So it's unclear why they had to fly a drone here on the premises. But what I can say is that operation that they undertook, they had the NPP secretary, regional secretary, who happens to be a legal officer or a legal professional overseeing that, and also another member of the NPP legal team, Lawyer Kusi, was also here to see exactly what they were trying to attain with the drone. But I can see that these people are still on the operation. The national security operatives are still flying the drone over the house of Chairman Entribo Siako. I would attempt to speak to some of the legal officers within the NPP to get exactly what the national security operatives are looking for by flying a drone.
For when you the etwagu e Chairman Wontumi ni fie ye say obetu gold ne de na ho sem no edoso ni nyina efa eye galam sensensem ya abusua eye Chairman Wontumi e de ne ho agi mu ana obo adwuma no. Yes, Chairman Wontumi ababe kasa abra eye national security for no efri ho no Chairman Wontumi ababe din koma na utie de Chairman Wontumi kan abusua ora be ho be ma ayemre Chairman Wontumi ayemre abusua yentie de eye Chairman Wontumi all kan ye wi a other stories e kan ho so ye de ba be somo yentie de Chairman Wontumi all kan
abi before nyina mo sorry yo ayamunti ana mahama yem say abi before ayamunti ana mahama yem say menya Ghana ni bio abi so say the one we ni abeya president nti menya Ghana ni bio
police commander your friend is saying regional BNI boss ye ba fie ho watch out ye ba fie ho what sorry
mahama je be bio so national chairman me penintia enu ti ana mo pesa mo ta me say Kwame Nkrumah no the president to ababa no na say Mandela no damu ba to pie baba be ye president
Chairman Wontumi any enkomo. Chairman Martin. Chairman Pacho, what you mean can?
Abejaso mi gba me tonka.
You. Anopay na yenya nkra se BNI for ni police for aba ofi anopay. Wadaroma e dey na si.
Adia asie enyina ne se. Now know that on the 19th, me wahona police for a letter invitation. And now, omo de breme no. And I say, Amada Roma, me numa dro kaka. Eti Monday, a year 26. Meba a year and crime. Na me ne me lawyer for apa ana me busa omolete no mu no ana omode ba ase eye omolete no mu ana omode ba ase omote galamse ana me se galamse me nya galamse kro no kra omoka no ebe emfie ensuni me kra me si hoda aye sama boy me si hoda ana baby a omoka ho asem no toto no me wo list e wo ho a me wo list a eye me amedia na emom eye policy na minister ne ya yi ne de enye me nko hoda minim ko fokro mo ye adwuma enu ti no minister no me de no court ye nkrama ni nyina me di minister no at court enti no minister ni nyina no me do mo kokoto a sesi a me no kasai me lawyer for e wo ho ayayi de mi hu ya ne se so bo ansa meba de mi hu ya ne se ya friend say ene mi pia bontin ya yipa mi pia bontin no de mi pia mi wi ya ne se eni pa 20 omo de cash bebre aba be gina mi fia ni mu ene say ya fi amra mete wo mrankan ana me say ya fi mo mra mete me mrankan sai aye so why na say mo mra mete me mrankan ana o say ayi BNI director wo kuma say ya say ya fa wo mrankan ana me say da bi me police for afre me police for fra o ma frɛ me no o ma frɛ me say Monday memra me ne me lawyer I responded ayayi me wie ya pen me de letter di bi be mamo eti ayadien na tia eti police for na frɛ me na mo so mo frɛ me ada wuntumi ayedai okay omo ma me frɛ police for no me frɛ police for no omo say omo kantre obi afa omo mra mekeme na omo akasa na omo pese omo ne me investigate no omo busa me nsam ana sa but Mr. Ofe say any idea aba police ni a oye aye deputy commissioner of police aye Lydia aye bi na sa
Lydia Donko
di na sa se ana omo ye say I chief superintendent of Ofe ono so na case ni nko aye Ofe no the number ye 0244 28 0001 ana stroke
Nti abusunya wensu de etwagu ewo eye chama wontumi ne side utie de chama wontumi de all kana which means the kan emane letter na o kire mu say Monday na obeden obetumi aba what you say de na chama wontumi all kana oti ase ya nanso say nduru yo enso yakoni fie akwakofa no abusunya chama wontumi yakopon emba ho ban abusunya enti case ne course ano eye Afia Schwar nega ono de o ne life so a o ye ne life e no bi betu mu say eye chama wontumi police for kwakofa no eye national security for kwakofa na abusunya ye ntie de eye Afia Schwar nega odi tuja
Wontumi is under attack ada Wontumi ni defense minister dem Wontumi is under attack me do Wontumi no ni defense minister ni me ana
Ejabusiafo ni panche na wadi amia chama wontumi na osu afa ni party members no yes dia kwakodu no mahama baaye no ohwe national security for duma o mabọ no enso yehu exactly adibia o maye yehu any important thing bia ewo eye efiefie koya mo chechi amanfo yehu bibia ewo mu abusua eha na mede obesi message so be subscribe to your channel no sani update bia nso etomo a onso onsa ebeka bi na wahye ama afoforo nso anya bi atie makra bye bye.